We got the skillet ready for the eggs. And the rice is getting ready to start boiling. So you'll notice that the eggs are whole. I didn't scramble them or nothing. That's not my intention. I'm going to pour them into the skillet. I like to do it this way because if you scramble them, you mix it all up and it doesn't have that color, it just has some yellow in your fried rice. This will give some yellow and white mixed in. It just seems to taste better too. I don't know why, but it does. I'll let them get the little bit cooked on the bottom, and I'm going to break the yolks. Now, rice is simmering now. I'm going to go ahead and cover it. Set my timer for 20 minutes. Go ahead and break the yolks here. Tap a couple times on top. It'll start running. Now I'll wait until that gets cooked pretty good. I'm going to cover that up for a minute. That'll help get them cooked a little quicker. I don't want to overcook the eggs. I just get them cooked and then I put them in a container to the side